Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today I'm going to show you how to use Windows speech recognition. This feature allows you to control your computer and dictate text using voice commands, which can be especially helpful for hands-free operation. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Alright, first go to the Start menu and open Settings. And now select Ease of Access. Now click on Speech from the left sidebar. Turn on Speech Recognition. When you turn it on for the first time, a setup wizard will guide you through configuring your microphone and training your voice profile for better accuracy. So normally you have to click on Next, and then they will ask you to select which kind of microphone you are using right now. So I'm choosing the second one and clicking on Next button. And now you have to set up your microphone by saying something, okay? So click on Next button. Now you have to say these words. Peter dictates to his computer. He prefers it to typing and particularly prefers it to pen and paper. After reading this, click on Next button. And you will see a confirmation message. Your microphone is now set up. And the microphone is ready to use this computer, okay? Finally, click on Next button again, and here you will get two options again, and that's Enable Document Review and Disable Document Review. I'm clicking on Enable, and after then clicking on Next button again. So here you will get again two options. Number one is Use Manual Activation Mode, and the second one is Use Voice Activation Mode. So I'm choosing the second one because I want to stop it by saying something, okay? So clicking on Next button again and clicking on Next again and Next, and finally clicking on Skip Tutorial, and that's it. You can start and stop speech recognition by saying start listening or stop listening. To use commands, simply say phrases like open Audacity. Here you can see that it is opening the application Audacity. So it's an example of speech recognition of Windows. Stop listening. And that's it. Windows speech recognition in Windows 10 make tasks easier and help you work hands-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.